Soon you will be attaching your proposal in this link. Let me cover a few points about submitting a peer review. So here we see the proposal brainstorming. Again, tonight or very soon, you should have your proposal posted and find your team number and who you're going to do the review of. Okay. All posts concerning the peer review will be due on Tuesday, the latest by Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Again, if the proposal is already posted, you can start today. However you want to go about doing this is perfectly fine with me. I expect you to discuss it with your group, but you don't necessarily have to. So the peer review, what is a peer review? I posted a YouTube video that covers what peer reviews are. It covers what a peer review is in the academic world, and it also goes into the workforce. So it's one thing that you might want to get into and look and think about is that you will be doing these again at work. Sometimes it's internal. You'll do a peer review within your team. Other times you'll ask other people to come in and peer review your information to make sure that it looks perfectly fine, it is good, and again, with a peer review, you have a higher chance of getting approved. So this document here, the peer review document, is what I'm going to cover. If you open it up, this is what it looks like. A peer review is an evaluation of work by one or more people with similar competencies as the producers of the work. Again, your proposal. It functions as a form of self-regulation by qualified members of a profession within a relevant field. All of you are doing a proposal. You are qualified. Peer review methods are used to maintain quality standards, improve performance, and provide credibility. A peer review is mainly focused on functionality. How does that proposal actually function? Purpose and audience again. Design, what does it look like? Yeah. Is there balance? And the implementation and usefulness of the proposed fixes for the stated problems. Okay, so if you make a comment that you have a problem with it, you can give them advice on how to fix it. I expect you to do that. Each person must make a minimum of 8 comments on the proposal, not including the short paragraph at the end. I'm leaving it up to the teams how you want to tackle this peer review, but I must see your comments and where you're going with it. So, was the proposal template used? Did using it make a difference? How so? Did you understand their objective? Do you see a company logo and information? Can you figure out their purpose and audience? Does the structure make sense? Why or why not? Focus on the placement of headings. Is there any missing information? Again, refer to that instruction sheet for the specifics. Remember, they're the headings with the stars. Headings and subheadings. Are they in bold, italics, or larger? Could they be? What do you think? Do they need to be in color? Do you see differences between a first level heading and a third level heading? And again, this is a guideline on how to do headings. Does the team make their case effectively? If you were an approver, would you approve the funding for this project? Why or why not? Do you notice any technical errors? Spelling, grammar, punctuation? Do you find the limited use of first or second pronouns? I, me, you. I'm not going into all of them. Point them out. They have to be deleted. It is a formal document. You can only use he and she, not even we. No. In the appendix, can you find the budget worksheet? Is it filled out correctly? Do the sections list the team members that contributed? And also in the appendix are the citations listed under individual team members' names. Can you tell how much research they did? Does it provide validity for approving the proposal? And finally, this is a paragraph at the end. All of you must do this. Were there any areas that confused you? Please point out specific areas. There was a point, even a paragraph. You didn't understand what was going on. Tell this person or team what it was so that they can help each other and get it fixed. Write a few sentences about what you liked. Make sure that you say, if I like the logo, why you like the logo. What is it about it that you're attracted to? If you like a certain part of the proposal, why do you like that certain part? You know, and then write a few sentences about what you didn't like. And you don't necessarily have to be nice about this, but again, it's in their best interest if you point out stuff that you don't care for, because that stuff might be the main reason this proposal would get denied. So if they go into their revision stage with the idea that these people might not like this area, we can conduct and work and talk about it and figure out how we need to fix it so that it looks better, or it states their purpose better, or really anything. It depends upon you and what you see. Again, you have to find something you don't like about it, and you have to find something that you do like about it. I am not taking neutral that it's okay, it's a proposal. Peer reviews help everybody. You have to have opinions. I want you to state your opinions. So that's the worksheet that I posted. Feel free to use it. Feel free to answer them. Obviously, more than one person in your team will answer these. Now, you can divide them up, but again, you make sure you have 8 comments. So more than one person is going to discuss if there's missing information, or if the structure makes sense, or why not. All of that. Make sure that you work together, but I want a lot of feedback to these groups because I'm only having you work with one group. So going back to the discussion board, Team 1 is going to focus on Team 6's proposal. So if we open this up, again, find Team 1. Team 1 will go, oh, okay, oh, here's Team 6. They're going to open this up. By now, here is the group. When you get ready to work with this, and Tanner, I'm going to pick on you because you're the one who is with this group. What you'll do is you'll hit reply and you'll post your proposal. Team 1's going to come in here and find it, and then they're going to hit reply to that proposal, and you're going to see their comments. So again, let's go through this one more time. So go back here. So Team 2 has to work with Team 8. So Team 2, find Team 8, which is right here. Find their proposal. Okay, again, they're going to hit reply. Their proposal is going to be sitting here somewhere. You find the proposal, open it up, use the worksheet, and then add your comments. And again, you'll reply right to that proposal so that when Team 8 gets back in here, they can see all of your responses in one spot. Now, another thing I want you to know is that I also have general comments. Okay. Again, if you haven't seen these, by all means get in here and read them. But this was supposed to be for working with the proposal. And here is some ideas, team, how to do your team on the spot, how to do your team here. Again, I blotted out personal information. You should have a table of contents. You know, stuff that you can add. Again, graphs always help. Always am a big proponent for graphs because managers look at pictures. If you have any additional comments on how this is going to work, by all means, send me a text or say, hey, I am still confused about this, and I can get back in here and work again with more information. But this should get you going on peer reviews and how to work with that group. You're only working with one group. So even though I have 9 groups, again, only focus on that one group. I want you to put forth some effort in these peer reviews and really help them on doing their revision for the proposal.